TechIt.
Lesson 1.8. Arrange objects in your Google Slides. You can arrange objects in various ways. The first one that we're going to use is arranging objects to bring to the front. If you have two objects, you will see them overlap. Select the object that you want to bring to the front, right-click on your mouse, and then select Order, Bring to Front. Another way to arrange objects within your slides is by aligning them. The first thing that you'll need to do before you align is to check the width of the various objects within that slide. For example, this title on the top, it's a different width than the text paragraph on the bottom. To find out more about the width of the object, select the item, select Format Options, expand the option under the size and position. Copy the width, and then return to the other item and then paste the width. Now both of these items are the same. Now you can choose to align them to the center, and then also right-click, Align horizontally to the center. Next, we're going to align and group two objects. Objects are considered shapes and images that you place into your Google Slides. This will not work in text boxes. Select the two objects that you want to align. You can choose to right-click in your mouse and then select the option Align horizontally or Align vertically. You will find the same options as well under Arrange, Align, Left, Center, and Right, Top, Middle, and Bottom. I'm going to right-click and select Align vertically in the middle. You can see that these both 1, 2, 3. As you can see, both of the images align in the center. Another example is to align them horizontally. Align them in the center. Then you can rescale the objects. Always press and hold Shift as you rescale objects to maintain the proportion. If you want to group the objects, you can also right-click and group. This option is also located under the Arrange, Group, or if you already have objects grouped, you can ungroup them. When you group objects, you can move them around together. When you ungroup the objects, you move them individually.